Look at all this firewood.
Today, my husband and I are going to be taking a look at this WORKPROX pole saw. In this video, we'll show you what's in the box, demo it for you, and give you our honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are our own.
Some assembly is required. You get the pole, you get the saw, and you get the battery in the box. So this can only go on one way. It's got a little knob right there, and goes just like that, and you tighten it down into place. Got an adjuster here. It's got a safety sleeve on there. It does not come with oil. You'll have to use your own oil. It's got a clip right there, and you can adjust it. It's self-retracting also, which is nice. Assisted kind of. Let's get some oil in it, throw the battery on it, and test it. I do love how this is an octagon shape, or however many sides. It makes filling this up easy. From the factory, it comes in good and where it needs to be. If you need to adjust this, you can unlock this and then move it back, move it forward, whatever you got to do.
This battery actually doubles as a backup battery, so you can plug something in and charge it, and then you can use a USB-C to charge the battery itself.
Look at that. That chicken kid. It's gonna get nasty weather tomorrow.
We are at the property today, and as you can see, the lot is extremely wooded, and there are trees that need cut everywhere. So we had no trouble finding things to test this out on. We started small with the magnolia branch that was hitting the top of the camper, and then we went over to a little bit larger of a branch, this one here, and momentarily you'll see him want to really test it out on a bigger one. On the way to the bigger one, he saw this one that also needed to be cut down, and he wanted to try the angle cut.
I love it.
You gonna take the bottom of that off or no?
No, I was going to leave it because I'm going to turn it into a table. It's going to be close for its depth. So let's make it work. That is good stuff. This was a tree that needed took out, thicker base to it, and got through it with no problems.